Welcome to Forex Rebels. Today we'll be analyzing US30 and Euro USD. As you can see, I'm recording this video now. So this was supposed to be premiered around 10 o'clock on a Friday, but I'm just going to upload it right away because I don't want you guys to miss the signal. Okay, so without wasting time, let's get into it. We are on the 4-hour time frame on US30. So I've already laid out all the levels that I'm seeing on the market. So if you look closely on US30, we are playing around this area right over here. So as you can see, this is our support level, and this was the resistance level, and we have some mid-range here and some level right over here. So if we look back at the market, we can see that the market has been moving in this manner. So I'm just gonna try to show you guys how the market has been moving actually. So by the looks of things, starting from this point here, we have been in an uptrend, and we did break out on this area here, and we retested this trend line right over here before we changed the direction to the lower side. So this is what happened for the downwards movement. So let us move that, and if we try to look at the side, we can see we had a beautiful higher high before we had a strong momentum push to the lower side. And if you look closely again, you can see the market, we did break out on this level here and push to the upper side and touch this area right over here, and when started playing around this area here. So bear in mind, guys, we are stuck between two levels. This level right over here, which is significant by this gray line, and this level right over here. So it's either pushing to the upper side or to the lower side by looking at this. So I'm just going to look closely around this area here. So from this point here, I can see we had a beautiful trend line starting up from the point, first touch, second touch. We have our first perfect touches, and let us cater for the upper side as well. So we had this kind of movement. Okay, so this is the movement that I'm seeing on the market on US30 on the 4-hour time frame. So we are stuck around this area here. So let us move to the 1-hour time frame to see what we have, because you cannot just make decide on the direction just about now. So if you look closely, guys, if you know that if we have this triangle, is either we are going to break out to the upper side or we are going to the lower side. So by the looks of things, we have two directions here. So I'll just keep on analyzing to see which direction the market will take. So bear in mind, guys, we had our first touch here, second touch, and this was our beautiful third touch, and we had this level right over here. So let us cater for it for now on the 1-hour time frame. So I'm going to use a different color so we can see what's really going on here. Okay, so I'm just gonna use which color? Let us use purple. Okay, so this is what we have. So if you look closely, guys, the market has been respecting this level right over here, and here, here. So on US days, either we are going to push, for now we're going to push to the upper side, then break out of this level, or just a false movement right over here. So on this one, guys, we have two directions you have to keep in mind. So we are not going to take the trade now. So you're only going to trade this the moment you see a breakout. If you're going for the sellers, you're going to enter the moment you see a breakout on this level here. Then you could say we are going to sell, but if not, we are not going to sell at all. So for the sellers, this is the kind of movement you should be anticipating. Bear in mind, guys, don't use pending orders because the market could just trigger your orders and push to another direction. So bear in mind, guys. Please listen to me, guys. Don't use pending orders. Wait for the market to um, close below this level uh, before you enter your sellers. And on the upper side, it will be determined if we see the market pushing to the upper side for now, and we see a breakout on this level here. Then after that, we can say we are going to the upper side. So this is how you should trade um, this pattern. So if the market tends to push to this area here, just know we'll be anticipating buying opportunities starting from this point here, and here will be our stop loss, and our overall take profit will be right over there. But we are going to use this as our first take profit. Bear in mind, guys, first take profits are the most significant take profits because that's where the market tend to change its direction. So you better capitalize on them. So stop being greedy. This is what you have. So we could have two sides, two directions. So it will be determined if the market breaks out on to the lower side, we are selling, and if it breaks out to the upper side, we are buying. So for now, we are still inside this triangle for now. And please don't enter here, guys, for the buyers. It is quite risky because the market could just push and touch this area here before shooting to the lower side. So be careful with US30 for now. Um, and if I see the movement by myself, I'll just update it in our group. So let us move to Euro USD. Okay, so now we are on Euro USD on the daily time frame. So I'll just do this as quickly as possible, guys. So I'm going to start by identifying the levels that I'm seeing on the market. So if you look closely on Euro USD, starting from that point right over there, seems like we've been pushing to the lower side for a very long time. Then we did breakout on this area right over here and push it up aside. So now it seems like we are stuck around this area here. So the last time we did hit this area here, we went to the lower side. So it seems like we're going to the lower side again. But let us keep on analyzing and let us move to the lower time frame to see what's really going on. And it seems like I'm seeing another level right over here again, where the market is at now. So I'll just move to the 4-hour time frame to confirm. Okay, so actually I don't like this color green. There's a lot there are too many colors here, so I don't like this color at all. So but yeah, I'll just remove this one here because I will not be using it anytime soon, but I'll leave this one right over here. And if I look starting from this point over here, I can see a push to the upper side, first touch, second touch, and okay. So if you look closely, guys, we had a first touch, second touch, and I thought the market did break to the lower side. So yeah, that's quite something. I'll just let me change the color here to blue. Blue is quite better for me. Guys, I'm trying to keep my chart as clean as possible so you can see each and every detail. So let us cater for the upper side as well. Okay. So the reason why I'm not using this level here, I'm using this one here, it is because the market started from this point here, touching this area here. So I hope you get what I'm trying to show you guys. Um, All right, so seems like here we had another level. I'll just make it up with this line here, so we don't miss anything out. So bear in mind, guys, when you move to lower time frame, there are another levels to be considered. So yeah, and this one right over here. So if you look closely, the levels keeps on adding on. So I'll just use this. Let me do this. Uh, if we did use the body, okay, let's just leave it like that. Okay, this is what we have. This is quite confusing for most of you because there's so many lines here, but I'll just filter them out as soon as possible. Um, okay, I'm gonna mark out this area here as it's been respected. I'm gonna remove this line here. Um, okay, so yeah, why did we mark this level here? So I'll just move to the time frame to confirm why we did draw that line over there. Okay. Oh, yeah, it's quite significant as well. So we cannot remove it. Okay, guys, this video will be getting a bit long, but by the looks of things, we can see that we are here on the breakout. So to be honest, I'm seeing some selling with power to the lower side, but this will be confirmed only if we close below this line right over here. Then I could say we are pushing to lower side, maybe up until here or maybe here. So I'll just adjust this to show you your take profits to this level right here. All right, so let us move to the 1 hour time frame to confirm actually. All right, so this is what I'm saying, guys. You can see that we did break out of this area here, and the market touched this level here and retested this trend line. So this could be a false breakout, or this could be a push to the lower side. So you're going to, the moment you close below this line over here of 1.05155, then I could say we are pushing to the lower side, because if you look closely here, we had a beautiful triangle. Actually, by just looking at it, we had a beautiful triangle, and we did just break out of it, so pushing to the lower side. So this is what he had. This kind of setup, this is a smaller version for what we had on US30, what they're having on US30. So it's either going to push to lower side or on upper side on US30. But on this one, you're going to see if we push to lower side and close below this line over here on the 4-hour candlestick, then we could say we are selling. So this is how we should trade this, and if it happens to push back, so yeah, this could be our overall take profit right over here, and our first take profit right over here, and second take profit right over there. So this is how we should trade uh, Euro USD based on what I'm seeing on the 4-hour time frame on the sorry on the 1 hour time frame. So this is what we have. So it's either we have a breakout, or this could be a false breakout. But bear in mind, like I've said, wait for the market to close below this level here, then you could enter for the sellers. So currently, by the looks of things, I think USD is gaining a little bit of momentum. So yeah, that will be all from us. FX Rebels signing out.